So the April challenge, soap challenge, club challenge, is drop swirls. There's lots of different ways to do drop swirls. I actually have a video I did, I think it was 2 years ago now, on different drop swirls, the way to do them. So I decided that I would do something different from what I've already done. I have no idea how this will work either, but I'm gonna give it a try. So I created some mom duck and baby duck embeds. They're off to the side, you can't see them. So my thought was I'll have them, you know, swimming on a lake. So I'm doing a blue base, and then I'm gonna do the drop swirl in that, and then do, I lost my top, oh there's my top. And then put the ducks on, and then do a sky. So this whole soap is kind of blue themed. And I have this squeeze bottle. We all know how much I love squeeze bottles. Those 3 tops. And I'm going to, so I just did different blues. And I'm basically gonna try, which I think is called mini drops. I've seen a number of different ways it's called. Basically using a squeeze bottle. I'm not going to use multiple squeeze bottles. I'm just going to use one, and I'm just alternating these colors, almost as if I was going to be pouring a one pot wonder, and then I'm going to squeeze them in. I have no idea what this will result in. It might be ugly drops, it might be pretty drops, it might not look like drops at all, there might not be enough contrast. I'm really not sure, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. I figured, why not try something new, right? So there's my bottle. I don't want to tip it too much. I'm just gonna bring it down, stick the tops in, and then basically squeeze and drag it through. Okay. That might not be enough contrast. I also think that this has gotten nice and muddied now. So I'm gonna let that set up so I can put my ducks on, and then I'll pour the sky. Okay, it feels a little set up. There's my mama duck. It's not super set up, but I think it's enough that it will hold the embeds. So it's mama. I got one baby in. There are the other 2 babies following mama. Good little ducklings. Yep. We are going to be seeing the baby ducks soon. They should be hatching, and they'll be out on the lakes. I love seeing the baby ducks. Even the baby geese. Though the geese can be somewhat annoying, I love spring, and when the babies all hatch and you see them following mama out on the lake behind my house. It's just, or the pond, I guess. It's just, I can just stand there and watch as they swim around. Okay. I'm gonna go prep the white now. So I left half the batch just sitting around. I haven't added or done any color because I didn't want it to set up. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll come back and pour the top. let's cut this and see what the heck the inside is going to look like, because I have no clue. This was a new to me experiment. I hope it's cool. Huh. Well, there's not very many. I thought I had overdone it. The contrast is also minimal, so I guess I had to squeeze more. I don't think I squeezed enough out as I was pulling it, and hence didn't get what I was going for. Yeah, I love the duck and the babies, the mama duck and babies. I think that's super cute. I just wouldn't really call that a drop swirl. Oh well, I'll cut the pelican and see. But if this didn't work, then I kind of doubt the pelican worked, because I couldn't get the squeeze bottle into that